Hi, I'm Mary from Topcon Healthcare University, and today I'm going to be showing you how quick and easy it is to capture a colour fundus image using the NW500. In the movie area on the left, tap the middle of the pupil to automatically align the NW500. Instruct the patient to look at the green fixation target inside the camera. Press the Start Capture button and the device will automatically align and focus. On 3, instruct the patient to take a couple of big blinks, then stare at the green fixation target so their eye is wide open when the timer reaches 0. The image is then displayed on the device screen for confirmation. And that's how you take a colour fundus image using the NW500. For more information, please visit Topcon Healthcare University.